Soap Glory's original Pink Heel Genius Foot Cream helps to repair and relieve rough feet overnight. Benefits contains AHAs to smooth rough feet. Renovates rough feet overnight. Hydrates, moisturizes and nourishes feet. Leaves feet feeling velvety soft and smooth. Leaves skin feeling refreshed. Leaves skin delicately fragranced. Formulated with allantoin, macadamia oil, menthol, bilberry, orange and lemon fruit acid. Smoothers suitable for all skin types including very dry skin. Dermatologically tested. Top reviews from the United States. Quality. This is absolutely the very best foot cream I think you can buy. Before I started using this cream on my feet, it seemed my heels were always cracked. I have been using this every night after I get in bed for about the last 2 years.